Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today I figured I'd do an unboxing video and test out my new camera. I'm going to be unboxing this Monogram 82 Corvette Collector's Edition. It is a skill level 4. It's been in my collection for a little bit. Obviously it's an Ollie's find. So let's get into this and see what's in the kit.
White snow, red sky, reach up for so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight.
Alright, so pretty basic standard stuff. We have a tinted windshield, standard tires, unbranded, body. This is a really simple kit. Let's get this out of the way. Instructions, very small decal kit. Revell instructions. Super simple kit. I don't know why this is considered a skill level 4. Body, chrome, only 2 screws as far as white plastic. Got your body tub, hood, wheel backs. Top of engine is all one piece with the headers on it. Yeah, it's a super simple kit. I'm guessing the steering wheel's on the chrome tree. Body tub, chassis. There's not a whole lot of parts here. Oh, yep, there's the steering wheel. Got your air cleaner, steering wheel, fan, mirrors, alternator, wheels. Super simple kit. So there you go, 1982 Corvette from Monogram Revell. Not much to this kit, should be a real simple build. And if you'd like to see this built, hit the subscribe button and let me know down in the comments.